In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download BubbleUPnP app on Android. First, we begin by opening the Google Play Store. Look for the familiar icon on your Android device. It resembles a colorful triangle. This is where you can find and install apps. Once you tap the icon, the store will load, revealing a vast array of applications. You will notice various categories and featured apps on the homepage. This step is crucial because the Google Play Store is the official source for downloading apps safely and securely, ensuring that your device stays protected from harmful software. Next, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type BubbleUPnP. The search bar is designed for quick access to specific apps. As you type, you may see suggestions appearing below. This feature helps you find the app more efficiently. Make sure to spell it correctly to avoid any confusion. This is important because downloading the correct app ensures you have the right features and functions you need. If you make a mistake, it could lead to downloading an unrelated app. After you type in BubbleUPnP, select BubbleUPnP for DLNA/Chromecast by Bubblesoft from the list of results. Take your time to ensure you select the right app. The name and the developer's name are essential indicators. Bubblesoft is a reputable developer known for creating high-quality apps. Selecting the right app is critical because it guarantees you will have the features designed to enhance your streaming experience. Once you have selected the app, tap the Install button. This button is usually located near the app's icon and description. After tapping Install, the process will begin. You will see a progress bar indicating the download and installation progress. This step is significant because it initiates the procedure to get the app onto your device. You can use this time to prepare for the next steps, knowing that the app is on its way to being ready for use. Now wait for the installation to finish. The duration may vary depending on your internet speed. While you're waiting, you can take a moment to explore the app's description or read user reviews. This could give you insights into the app's features and capabilities. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear. This is a reassuring sign that you are almost ready to start using BubbleUPnP. Finally, tap Open to start using the app. As the app launches, you will be greeted with its user interface. This is where the fun begins. You can now explore all the features BubbleUPnP offers for streaming to DLNA or Chromecast devices. This step is the culmination of the previous actions, allowing you to enjoy seamless streaming. Remember, you have successfully installed the app and it's ready for your use. With these steps completed, you can now easily download and access BubbleUPnP on your Android device. Enjoy streaming your favorite media without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming.